Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Grand California. This vehicle has done just under 7,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our living / dining area, as well as our overcab double bed. As we'll be able to see, this comes with our ladder, so that when we push it out, we can easily access. Behind me is our kitchen, complete with our sink, hob, and fridge just below. Next up, we have our bathroom with our toilet, sink, and retractable shower head. Behind me, we have our second double bed, making this camper 4-berth, 4 belts. As we go into the front of the vehicle, we can see to the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control and assist. On the right, we have voice control and our headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration, and voice control. To the right, we have navigation, Apple CarPlay, our vehicle settings, and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with park distance control as well as our camera. Just below, we have our AC.